Look at this. This is unbelievable. This is a brand new 2017 home, but the builder has made it look like all the fabulous cottages that are here in the First Ward and in the Heights area. You have recycled wood on your island here. You have granite countertops. You have the old looking cabinets. You have open cabinetry here. And then to really top it off for you, you have these wonderful recycled old doors. So cool. You have wood floors throughout the home. This is a 1-story. Again, it's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It's priced at $618,000. Look at the molding. They've put a lot of work into the molding. Look at this bathroom. Is this gorgeous or what? And remember, you're not going to have to worry about plumbing. You're not going to have to worry about electricity because it is all brand new. You're not going to have to worry about the roof. The roof is 30-year-old roof. You can't beat that. So you have a fantastic home with none of the worries. Look at this great laundry room. Come on, this is fantastic. You even have a sink in here that you can use if you're gonna do any work. Huge backyard with a carport. Look at this beautiful recycled old glass window. You have double pane glass windows throughout the whole house so that they look like the old home windows, but they have the features of the modern house. Here's your master bathroom, 2 sinks, huge, huge master shower. Okay, that's it, guys. This is a fantastic home. Come out and check it out this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. House is from 2 to 4. Remember, it's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,700 square feet, and it is priced at $618,000. You are minutes away from Sawyer Yard. You can ride your bike to Paper Company, one of the best coffee shops. You have the Live Theater that's just down the street from you. You're 1 block away from the Heights bike path. This is a fantastic home, fantastic location. Come out and check it out. If you would like more information on this home or any additional homes, please don't hesitate to give me a call at